It's like 3:15 in the morning. Mint day on the bay by the looks so far. We haven't got too far, but it's still looking mint. We're heading to Mud Island. Going to try for hopefully a couple of squire, snappery looking things, no sharks. Should be a good day. Got Adam and Barb. Let's send it. Let's go. Yeah, there's going to be a shark.
Probably bad.
Really?
Yeah, mate, look at them thoughts on it. They're crackers.
That's right.
If you want, right? Hey, some good thoughts on there, mate. Undersized.
Yeah. No.
Tiny little Barb?
Yeah?
No, drop.
Oh.
Oh. Hold on there. Putting that down. Same one as before.
Yes, yes.
There we go.
Oh,
Yes!
Woo!
That is a cracking fish. Oh. Yes!
Told you, this is the mark, mate.
Changing the tide.
Gorgeous.
There you go.
Want me to fill it for you?
Yeah.
Fucking hell, you're missing half the meat.
You fill it though, and fill it and skin it. Your tomato, onion, capsicum, coriander, your white pepper, salt, bit of chilli. Got to have chilli.
Yeah. Not too bad.
The bait knife works.
Goes with the bait board.
Bit of marinade.
Some people having better days than others.
The only thing that needs now is a lid and be on the ice for 10 minutes. Bro, get that net, you've got him. Look mate, look. He's right there.
It's munching on the fish.
I'm scared away. They're too smart, man. They're to watch. They're freaking amazing eyes.
Oh, look at him!
That's how you
Let
do
him
it.
squirt.
That is a nice squid.
How's breakfast, kids?
Good.
Tell you what, it doesn't get much fresher than that.
Over top, I think. I'm not turning this around now. Sharp, man.
You see that? It's on there.
So now I'm losing my line there.
Fucking really?
Oh. Snap.
30 pounds.
No way.
Not
Yes.
Yummy.
Yeah. I'll take him, mate. You're gonna love him.
That's it, day done. Got one keeper, one shark that we kept as well. Had ceviche for breakfast, crabs for lunch. Happy days. Back home to face reality.